The G-Wagon. If I ask any of you if what is your dream car, I'm 100% sure this one, the G63 AMG, would be in most of your lists. Now, all that is great, but what is it like to live with this one? Now, I've had this car for a while, and obviously it is not mine. All thanks to Mercedes-Benz India for sending me this car for a few days to understand what is it like. Who would pick this car which costs roughly 4.3 crores on road? See, this car is a dream, and I'm going to take you through different aspects of it जो कि मैंने understand करें after driving it for a while. And first things first, the main thing which I absolutely love about this G-Wagon is look at the amount of space you have in the boot. This is huge. I mean, ये पूरी tray जो है ये आप fold करके इधर, this is huge. I mean, literally you can fit in a lot of things inside. So अगर आप long distance के लिए जा रहे हो and so forth, luggage is never going to be a problem for you. Now the next thing, it sounds like a tank. The rims and the tires are in a staggered setup in the sense कि आगे का जो profile है is about 255 40 22, and अगर मैं पीछे की side पे जाऊँगा, so then it is, where is it? It is 295 40 22. हाथ गंदे हो गए, but nonetheless, these rims look insane in this copperish tone that is there, and this color, I mean, it is a matte color. It looks absolutely stunning. जब भी मैं बाहर चलाता हुआ गया हूँ, this color turns heads. And of course, because it's a proper AMG, you've got the AMG badging here. अब मैं जानता हूँ कि a lot of people who actually can afford to buy the G63 AMG will probably want to sit at the back, and their chauffeur is going to be really enjoying everything. I mean, okay, it's your wish, dude, it's your car. But let me just show you something. I'm sitting now in the rear. Okay, now this was the seat adjusted to my height. I'm 5'8", so I'm not a tall guy at all. So if this is adjusted to my height, यहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा room तो बचा ही नहीं है. So that is, oh, that sound is addictive. But I'm not even joking. This is the leg space. You can, of course, you can recline the seat. I think it's reclined to its max. हाँ, बस यही है. You can only do this much, you know. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. Although the recline level, I will say this much, is a comfortable recline. But इस वाली में ये entertainment package भी आया हुआ है. So this feels like it's, you know, right in my face, you know. Like आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी मेरा Netflix देखते हुए. But if you are going to be in the back seat, charging is not going to be a problem for you. You've got all those charging points. You've got your climate control over here, and I mean, it looks nice. I mean, you know, you've got all this upholstery around here. They've made sure that the G-Wagon at least looks a little on the luxury side of things. You know, you've got the Burmester surround sound system, and now is the time that we should actually go for a drive. Now getting inside the G-Wagon is a task because यहाँ पे कुछ जगह नहीं है for me to climb on. यहाँ पे बस एक rubber का slip है where I can put my leg, grab the steering wheel and get inside. This is the most elegant way of getting inside the G-Wagon. Now we're going to start this machine, and I'm going to make you listen to what a V8 actually sounds like. That is belting out 550 plus brake horsepower and is an engine that, you know, people dream of, because this is what AMG is all about. So we put the foot on the brake pedal. You know that you're sitting in a V8, and abhi obviously it's showing that the car is actually cold, so we make sure that the car warms up first, and then only we'll take it ahead for a drive. Now if you're in an AMG, a G63 AMG for that, then this thing over here, you can toggle your different modes that you want around. You've got dynamic, you've got the suspension, you've got the exhaust. So मैं हमेशा exhaust को यहाँ पे रखता हूँ because this, once I click on it, you'll hear that subtleness. It's gone into a more louder version of the exhaust, and because it's a G-Wagon, we want it to be as loud as possible. It's got all your screens, which I absolutely love how Mercedes has done all of these things. You can go into a track pace mode. Yes, keep it to the classic. I like that. And the new advanced part over here is that for the first time, G-Wagon actually has a touch screen, which is a welcome change. Now everything else inside the G63 remains pretty much similar. You've got the trackpad over here to control your MBUX, and here you've got all the off-roading bits, जो कि मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं पता इनके बारे में, but I know for a fact that they are for your differential locks and all of that kind of stuff. All the goodies that a proper off-roading enthusiast would actually enjoy. But I'm a city boy, you know. I'm a city boy. I'm just putting myself in the shoes of being, 1,000 crores in the bank account, and I've decided to take this. So I would rather be taking something like this as a flex, because पहली बार जब मैंने G-Wagon चलाई थी, I found it to be very uncomfortable. और तब मैंने सोचा था कि why would anyone spend money on this car? It is so uncomfortable. Steering was heavy. The suspension was, it was hard. It was a proper off-roader, that's the thing. It's a military grade vehicle. That's where the G-Wagons actually come from. So that's why I was like not keen on it. But in this new one, they have made some amazing changes. Let me show you. First things first, steering is makhan. This to do on a G-Wagon or a car this size is amazing. Feels good. Now that the car is warmed up, the main cheese that we want to listen to is what this V8 sounds like. So let's give it a shot. Mind you, ये comfort mode पे है. I'm going to switch it to Sports Plus, where it becomes even more aggressive. Let's listen to this. Okay, so now it's time to drive. I've just put it into comfort mode only, and we're gonna pull away. Straight away, guys, I want to show you something. This thing literally towers over everything. मतलब मेरे साथ में यहाँ पे there is an Innova over here, and इसके साथ भी it feels like it's like a gigantic thing pulling away from it. So it's quite high, so you do ride very high. Now that is the main thing, guys. मतलब इसका pull and everything is just too damn addictive. मतलब मेरा इतना mood है अभी Sports Plus में जाएंगे, but even in your comfort mode, the way it pulls, and the best thing is लोगों के reactions, because those are the most priceless things. वही तो आपको देखने में मजा आ रहा है. Because this thing grabs the maximum attention. One, because of its size, obviously, and two, because the sound is just, mamma mia, so good. दूसरी चीज, guys, मैं इस गाड़ी की माइलेज के बारे में बात करके I'm not going to insult your intelligence or insult what this car is about. क्योंकि अगर आप almost 4.5 crores डाल रहे हो, then I don't think दुनिया की inflation और problem से आपको कोई फर्क पड़ेगा in terms of fuel prices and so on. So let's just not even go there. ठीक है? This now this अभिनव, मेहनत करो, पैसे कमाओ, G-Wagon ले लो, and then go. Sorry for my language, but that's what came out. It's the most natural thing. And this, mind you, is comfort mode. Comfort mode में ही मेरे अंदर का बच्चा बाहर निकल आया, because honestly speaking this is so much fun to drive, so much fun to drive. Now the other thing is, जैसे मैंने बताया था कि suspension used to be a problem. It used to be a problem in those G-Wagons because honestly speaking they used to be very uncomfortable to drive, even in the front passenger seat. ठीक है, like sorry, front passenger seat, driver seat, they are the more comfortable ones क्योंकि यहाँ पे जगह ज़्यादा है and stuff. But this one has got adaptive suspension, which is an all-time adaptive suspension and all-wheel drive. So the way that this thing manages, it is comfortable. It doesn't feel hard. You know, that's the only way to describe it, because the other one used to feel like as though आप पता नहीं कौन सी, you know, tough end vehicle के ऊपर बैठे हुए हो, and after a point of time ना चलाने का इतना मजा नहीं आता था. But my God, woo! This is so much fun. आजकल दिल्ली में बहुत ही अजीब सा वेदर हो रहा है कि सुबह it is गर्म and in the evening it becomes chilly. We are only in February and फिर भी ये सब कुछ हो रहा है, so I don't understand what's happening. But nonetheless, I'm at least cool inside the G-Wagon. It does a fab job of cooling the interior cabin. And मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये जब जैसे मैं टर्न करता हूँ ना यहाँ पे जो सीट की जो बोल्स्टर्स है ना, वो अंदर से मेरे को ग्रिप करते हैं, so that I am there, which is very good for a proper off-roading machine, because you know off-roading में you are on a sand dune, on a hill or something, you need to be gripped in. ठीक है, so the side bolsters here, जैसे ही मैं टर्न करता हूँ, they move in, keeping me nice and planted. By the way guys, एक और चीज़ मैं बताता हूँ, the amount of respect you get driving a G-Wagon, unparalleled. मैंने unfortunately ये चीज़ रिकॉर्ड नहीं करी, बट मैं आपको वैसे ही बता देता हूँ. I had gone to Deer Donner, बोकर, दिल्ली के जो सारे जो नाइट क्लब्स एरिया है, वहाँ पे हम गए हुए थे. घुसा मैं वहाँ पे, ठीक है, एंड ऑटोमेटिकली सारे के सारे जो बाउंसर्स सब जो थे वो अपने पोस्ट छोड़ करके दे वर हेल्पिंग मी कम आउट. मैंने कहा शायद अभी क्राउड नहीं होगा, मैं वैसे भी जल्दी जाता हूँ, बहुत लेट नाइट नहीं करता, तो मैं पहुंच गया था 9 बजे. मैंने कहा अभी तो कोई भी नहीं होगा, अच्छे से डिनर करके विल गो. दोस्त की बर्थडे पार्टी थी, बर्थडे पार्टी खत्म हुई अराउंड 11:30-12. एक तो वैले ने स्पेशली तरीके से खड़ी कर रखी थी, ठीक है, जहाँ सारी अच्छी गाड़ियाँ खड़ी हुई थी. दैट्स वन थिंग. दूसरा, सारे जगहों के बाउंसर जो थे वो वापस आ गए थे, एंड वो ऑब्वियसली मतलब दे वर लुकिंग फॉर टिप्स, तो मेरे को अपनी जेब भी खाली करनी पड़ गई थी उसमें, ठीक है. बट वो ऑब्वियसली अब G-Wagon कोई चला रहा तो ऐसे ही, यू नो, क्लब वब से तुम खाली हाथ तो नहीं निकल सकते. यू विल हैव टू टिप. But then again, if you have 4.5 crores to spend, then a few $500, $2,000, $3,000 in tips is probably nothing for you. Addictive. 0 to 100 is 4.5 seconds. वो भी इतनी भारी SUV पे. I mean, this thing weighs a lot. Okay, so it is definitely massive. And when something is this massive, for it to pull this kind of numbers, that's commendable. That's the beauty of this V8 bi-turbo engine of Mercedes-Benz, man. Mercedes-Benz, mamma mia. You guys are, whatever you do, ठीक है, I know everybody's going green, सब लोग इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ियाँ चला रहे हैं and everything, but please अपने ये V8s को कभी मत बंद करना, ठीक है, please, ठीक है. Otherwise me, as that little boy who's interested in cars and everything with sports cars and driving fast on tracks, will lose all interest. मेरे बचपन के सारे सपने खत्म हो जाएंगे. Turning radius, not the best, ठीक है. So that, but the ease with which I am turning this car is amazing. This is so cool. आजकल you must have seen in a lot of खाली रोड. Sorry, so like I was saying, a lot of these the new S classes and everything, they have, like, you know, the rear wheel also turns to increase the turning radius. Nothing here, nothing over here. it is what it is. It's a G63 G-Wagon. This is what you'll get. And you will remain happy with it. And why not? Because I've just recently kidnapped my mom because she just came from school and she saw the car and I said like, "Aa ride ke liye aa jao." बेचारी चुपचाप से आके बैठ गई and then she saw the camera.
I know, you shouldn't do this on me.
Now we're going to get an impression from my mother. What is your first impression of this G-Wagon?
Nice and boxy.
Nice and boxy. आपको ये गाड़ियाँ पसंद है जो थोड़ी सी ऊंची होती हैं?
Yeah, of course. I do like them.
But how did you find entering this car?
A little high.
A little too high, ना?
For me.
मतलब कि एक वो होना चाहिए था, like something like a step ladder or something that comes out.
Yes.
You know, that would have made entering easy.
Yeah. Depends on the height of a person also.
Obviously, मतलब मैं अपने लिए भी कह रहा था because not very tall, so it's not easy for me as well. मेरे को भी steering को पकड़ करके फिर घुसना पड़ता है. But for her, she's obviously shorter than me. It's even tougher. So that is the only thing. Other than that,
it's awesome. Oh my god.
Feels good, right?
Feels good.
How do you find the comfort of this thing? क्योंकि ये वाली जो G-Wagon है, इसका suspension जो है is fully changed.
It's really good. Good.
Comfortable, right?
Comfortable. On the bump also it's very comfortable.
But आप पीछे भी बैठे थे एक बार, है ना? तब इतनी comfortable नहीं थी. So guys, honestly speaking, I know जो लोग ले रहे हैं 100% they'll be with their drivers जो चला रहे होंगे and enjoy कर रहे होंगे. I would say fire your drivers. ठीक है, just if you're buying this, then
if
drive.
I bought this, I would never let anyone else drive it. Why let someone drive this car if you have it?
Yeah. So take a wild guess how much this thing costs.
Are you making such a big thing about it? Must be 1 CR.
1 CR?
नहीं? Less?
Mom, 1 CR होता तो अभी तक ये ड्राइव में खड़ी होती है हमारी.
Oh God.
Take another guess. Second guess.
2 CR.
2 CR होती तो मैं फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं से जुगाड़ करके फाइनेंस करके कुछ ना कुछ करके ले लेता.
Then I'm not even guessing then because I can't buy it.
लगाओ guess लगाओ.
4.
So it's 4.25 on road.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a lot.
That's a lot of money. I think कोई किसी भी स्टैंडर्ड से आप देख लो, that is a lot of money. But the good part is that these kind of cars, they don't really lose their value. मतलब not as much as like you know others, you know, which totally मतलब depreciate. Because अभी भी इतनी पुरानी G-Wagons दिखती हैं that are literally मतलब still at like a crore plus of price. I mean 10-12 year old G-Wagons. Now invariably in Delhi there's a good chance that you will be stuck in traffic, and although it feels bad that you have this much power and nowhere to go, but still the G-Wagon also has massage functions for the front seats, and as you can see my wife is genuinely enjoying it and as am I. So these red light stops, they don't and traffic also doesn't feel that bad. I was nervous about that. If you see this board, ये जो सामने आ रहा है guys, ये देखो, ये मतलब इतना पास है. It is quite literally right here. मतलब हल्का सा थोड़ा सा और बड़ा होता तो it would have been a problem. मजाक नहीं कर रहा, ये देखो, that's where the sign was. Let me give you another example. ये सामने ये sign आने वाला है. Look at this. It is here. That is close. That is close. Just to give you a size perspective, guys. यहाँ पे तो ये मतलब मैंने बिल्कुल ही साइड में करके करी थी, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई डोंट वांट दिस कार टू ओपन दिस डोर एंड स्क्रैच इट, तब जा करके ये करा है. बट इफ़ इट वॉज इन द मिडल, द G-Wagon completely, it's fat for sure. So guys, that was the vlog basically about what it is like to own a G63 AMG, and I hope if some of you who can actually afford one, go for it, or if it made your decision making process any better, then please do hit a like, drop a comment and so forth. और in general अगर आपको वीडियो देखने में मज़ा आया हो and आपको ऐसी और वीडियोस देखनी है which is a very honest review of what the car is, of what any car is all about, then let me know. I'll bring more such amazing cars onto the vlog. Till then, stay safe, stay sexy. God bless. Bye-bye.